All right, guys. So BNB here, it's gone absolutely parabolic. Has it topped out? Probably not, but um, it's it's definitely extended. Now, what I want to show you here is the BNB market, the BNB coins. Now you can see that they've all crashed, right? They've all absolutely crashed. So if you're looking for bargains and possibly to accumulate some decent coins on the lows when nobody is really looking at it for some long-term plays, buying up some BNB coins might be a good idea. You can see AV here, for example, it is just stop hunting the lows, or the all-time lows down in here. Look at this large volume right in here. We capitulate it right down here, and maybe we can bottom out just down here below. And obviously these will be long-term holds, but if you're buying down here at 70 cent, this thing was up here at $9. It can 10x if it gets back to the upside. Something to just keep an eye on. If I go through all these, let me go to a 2-week chart. Well, you can see the 2-week chart on it here. We are actually trying to bottom out. Okay. Here's AV. Look at AV is trying to put on a 2-week bottoming candle. Okay, on this. ADA is trying to put on this 2-week bottoming candle. Now this is an attempt to get in before the crowd, before the herd. You can see here there's bottoming. It's trying to bottom here on alpha. What is this? ANKR. You can see this 2-week candle trying to bottom out. If BNB tops out, these might put in a bit of a top. What is this? Atom. Okay. So I'm just quickly flicking through these just to give you a vague look. You can see trying to bottom out here. There's one here as well. Bitcoin Cash on the all-time lows below a giant capitulation candle, and we're coming in here. You can see that. So there's good signs here that this BNB market is trying to bottom out. These would be for long-term holds in theory to make 5, 10x, who knows? You can see here as well, Dash, look at Dash here, the giant capitulation candle. Here, the sellers must be getting tired down around here, and maybe this can reverse. Again, this is an attempt to nail the lows on this BNB pairs, at least in the ballpark. You can see DOT down here at 7 cent on the all-time lows below a capitulation candle.